When it comes to creating irresistible desserts with minimal effort, few recipes can compete with the simplicity and decadence of a no-bake cheesecake. And if you're looking for a dessert that's sure to please a crowd with both its taste and presentation, look no further than the classic combination of Oreo cookies and creamy cheesecake filling. But is it really true that Oreo cookies make the easiest no-bake cheesecake? Let's take a closer look at why this treat has become a favorite for home bakers everywhere. First, let's talk about the base, Oreo cookies. Unlike traditional cheesecake recipes that call for making a graham cracker crust from scratch, using Oreos as the foundation that is both quick and foolproof, all you need to do is crush the cookies, cream and all, either in a food processor or by placing them in a zip-top bag and crushing them with a rolling pin. The cream filling acts as a natural binder, which means you don't need to fuss with extra sugar or butter to hold your crust together. Simply press the crushed Oreos into the bottom of your pan, chill for a few minutes, and you have a perfectly rich chocolatey base ready to go. Next comes the filling. One of the joys of a no-bake cheesecake is the absence of eggs and the oven. With no need to worry about water baths, cracks, or overbaking, you can focus on creating a smooth, luscious filling. The base is usually made with cream cheese, sugar, and a touch of vanilla extract, all whipped together until light and fluffy. To achieve that classic cheesecake texture without baking, many recipes incorporate whipped cream or sweetened condensed milk, which helps the filling set up perfectly in the fridge. Here's where the Oreo cookies shine once again. For an indulgent twist, fold in more crushed Oreos right into the cheesecake filling. The cookies soften slightly as the cheesecake chills, infusing every bite with specks of chocolate and cream. It's a simple trick that adds both flavor and a delightful crunch. Assembly couldn't be easier. Pour the Oreo-studded filling over the prepared crust, smooth the top, and pop the whole thing into the fridge. After a few hours, or better yet, overnight, the cheesecake firms up into a sliceable creamy dessert. No fancy equipment, no lengthy baking times, and no waiting for the cake to cool before digging in. The beauty of this recipe is its flexibility. Want to make individual servings? Simply press the Oreo crust into jars or cupcake liners. Prefer a gluten-free version? Seek out gluten-free chocolate sandwich cookies. Craving an extra layer of decadence? Top your cheesecake with melted chocolate, whipped cream, or even more crumbled Oreos. Oreo no-bake cheesecake isn't just easy to make. It's also a guaranteed crowd pleaser. The familiar flavors of cookies and cream evoke a sense of nostalgia, while the creamy texture and crunchy crust create a dessert that feels both special and satisfying. It's perfect for birthdays, potlucks, holiday gatherings, or any time you want to whip up something sweet without turning on the oven. In the end, Oreo cookies don't just make the easiest no-bake cheesecake. They make one of the most delicious. With only a handful of ingredients, a few simple steps, and no baking required, you can create a dessert that looks impressive and tastes even better. So next time you're craving cheesecake, reach for a package of Oreos and discover just how easy and fun homemade can be.